Welcome back to the Discount Property Investor Podcast. Our mission is to share what we have learned from our experience and the experience of others to help you make more money investing like a pro. We want to teach you how to create wealth by investing in real estate the Discount Property Investor way. To jumpstart your real estate investing career, visit freewholesalecourse.com, the most complete free course on wholesaling real estate ever. Thanks for tuning in.
You asked, we answered. Today's question is
How to get started.
Ooh, how to get started. Well, I'm assuming they're talking about wholesaling because that's what we do the most of here, or maybe buying some rental properties, something along those lines.
I would say how to get started. You got to get out of bed.
Ooh,
make your bed.
Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
I love it. I like where you're going with this.
And then just get after it. You got to set your goals. So once you've got your goals set, so again, I really, to get serious, it is set your goals first. What do you want? How to get started in real estate, if your end goal is, I just want to make $20,000 a month, well then guess what? You've got a very different objective than if I want to build a rental empire and have 50,000 rental units or 50,000
income in a month.
Exactly. So it's very different. So set your goals.
I like this.
Once you've got your goals aligned with, once you have your goals in mind, then you can align your daily activities to achieve those goals. So I think that's very, very important, is set your high level goals first, then start putting in what you're going to need to make those things happen, and break it all the way down to
talking about
daily
plan
activity.
Now.
Exactly.
Right. So a goal without a plan is a dream, guys. That is a dream. I'm going to say this again. A goal without a plan is a dream. So stop dreaming. Let's get you to where you want to be.
Doing.
How do you get started? Well, figure out what you want, right? Maybe that's $10,000 a month in income.
Let's use
something simple. Put together a plan. Well, if I can wholesale 2 houses a month at $5,000 a month, that's a low wholesale fee, right? But if I can do 2 a month at $5,000, that hits my goal of $10,000 a month. That's 6 figures a year. So how do I wholesale 10 deals a month? Well, next, I would need to start marketing to motivated sellers and learn my market and do it simultaneously. I can't tell you how many people reach out and text me and say, man, I got this software and I got this thing and I'm ready to do this, but I haven't started yet because I just want to make sure I know how to do everything. I don't know how to do everything still to this day, but guess what? I learn it and I figure it out as I go. So do not delay. Immediately start marketing to your motivated sellers and learning your market. Mike, what is next after that?
Well, I was going to say go to Free Wholesale Course. If you want to wholesale a couple,
go there to learn, of course.
Go to Free Wholesale Course to get started.
Most people that are watching this have been there already, but you never know.
The question was how to get started.
Oh, I like it. Okay.
So I'm saying go to Free Wholesale Course. Dave's absolutely right. Then we're going to start marketing to motivated sellers. Yeah. Like Dave said, the next step on that train is you are going to
set as many appointments as you possibly can.
Set appointments, baby. So you're gonna get inbound calls. You're gonna be out there hunting for leads.
And if you're virtual wholesaling, then you're gonna set appointments for somebody else. Or you're going to hire a virtual assistant. I guess that's way ahead, but to set appointments for you or for somebody else. But regardless, you're going to set appointments, right? You're going to market. That's the biggest part of our funnel. Then we're going to set appointments. Next, we're going to start making offers on every property that we see in these appointments, or even the ones that are tire kicking that call us that aren't worth the appointment. We're still going to make offers on every single property. It's like 1 p.m. today, and Mike and I have already probably made 6 or 7 offers on properties. Offers are the name of the game because you can't wholesale something you don't have control of. And all offers do is give you temporary control. So, what's next?
You're going to follow up, Dave.
Oh!
This is the most important part of the game.
80% of our deals come from follow-up. 80%. Maybe even 90%. Follow-up. You got to follow up, and that's it. And that's how deals get done. And then once you follow up, you get it under contract, you market it, you find yourself a buyer, you get the wholesale deal. You need to do 2 of them. We're working backwards here. Mm-hmm. Let's say you do $5,000 on that one. You got to do 2 of those. If you get 1 a month that gets you 10, then you hit your goal. But you got to start with a plan in mind. So what is your goal? Put together a plan to reach that goal. And then just focus on doing that. If you're brand new, go check out freewholesalecourse.com. It's going to teach you how to wholesale properties, and that's what we're talking about today. And it's what we do in our own business to wholesale 8, 10, sometimes 12 properties each and every month. You asked, we answered.
Thanks for listening to the Discount Property Investor Podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to help us reach a wider audience. To jumpstart your real estate investing career, please visit freewholesalecourse.com, the most complete free course on wholesaling real estate ever. We would also appreciate it if you left us a review on iTunes or Stitcher. Thank you in advance for your support, and remember, you make your money when you buy, and you get paid when you sell. Now let's go build some wealth.